Can Varo Bank deposit checks? Can you deposit a check on Varo Bank? The short answer is yes. Varo Bank does take checks. You can deposit checks with Varo Bank. Varo Bank basically lets you do what's called mobile check deposit. What it means is you can take photos of the front and back of your check with your phone and you submit them via their mobile app. This is because Varo Bank is a digital bank and there are no branches or ATMs, just the app. So you have to take a photo of the front and back of the check and submit it through the app. Unfortunately, because they have to go through verifications and various other steps, some people do complain that the wait period is a little bit longer than at other banks where you actually leave your check with the teller. So there is a hold period when you submit your checks with the Varo Bank app, and some people they like it, some people do not like it, but understand that Varo Bank does not charge extra fees for depositing checks. So be careful if you need money right away, because you might actually sit for a few days waiting for the check to clear with Varo Bank.